Hi guys. Are you looking for the best CNC offline controller? If you received a new CNC offline controller, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best CNC offline controllers on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, link and on the description. Get less started on this video. Dobtian CNC Offline Controller. Link on the description. Number 2, Top Direct CNC Offline Controller. Link on the description. Number 3, Benbox CNC Offline Controller. Link on the description. Number 4, G-Penny CNC Offline Controller. Link on the description. Number 5, Yofuli CNC Offline Controller. Link on the description.